bare-boned sycamores, fields scalped and sodden. The houses are shut, and dustbins
This
rolling
is
in
ploughing with the
So
headland
you would take
satellite
your
guidance
chances,
working.
risk it all. You stand for a
We
moment,
drive to the boundary
feeling
first, and then
the pull of the sky.
it sets up your headlands for you.
A moment passing.
Digging by Edward Thomas, followed by October by James Bretland, read by Kelly Huggins.